What's up everybody, my name is Clinton Norris.
Tristan Sutrisno here.
My name is Lucas Stoney.
Today we're going to show you some of our favorite products,
What we love about them, how we love to use them,
And how they're going to be best utilized behind the chair.
I hope you enjoy.
Clean Beauty Hydrate line is going to be best suited for guests that are struggling with dry or unmanageable hair. With ingredients of oat peptide and olive oil, it's going to help replenish that moisture in the hair and tame our dull ends. Clean Beauty Hydrate shampoo gently cleanses and replenishes dry hair. The oat peptides and olive oil ingredients help nourish the hair and scalp while balancing out the moisture throughout. Personally, for me, someone who struggles with dry scalp and dry hair, I absolutely love Clean Beauty Hydrate and how it makes my hair feel afterwards. Clean Beauty Hydrate Conditioner intensely nourishes and restores parched hair. With added ingredients of olive oil and oat peptides, it helps protect that hair from further damage. One thing I absolutely love about it is the shine and manageability it provides to my hair when conditioning. I feel like I could easily run a comb through it right after the shampoo bowl.